Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel! If you've been enjoying our recent lectures on the history of everyday inventions, like the kitchen stove, sewing machines, and pocket watches, you're going to love today's topic. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating story of the washing machine, from its humble beginnings to the modern, high-tech models we use today. The story of the washing machine begins in the 18th century, when washing clothes was an exhausting, time-consuming chore. People relied on wooden boards, buckets, and manual scrubbing to get clothes clean. In 1767, the first known washing device was invented by Jacob Christian Scheffer, a German scientist. His early design was basically a wooden drum with a handle to agitate the laundry. It was far from perfect, but it planted the seed for innovation. By the early 19th century, inventors in Europe and the United States were developing hand-powered washing machines. These machines often used cranks, rollers, and paddles to help clean clothes more efficiently than washing by hand. The real breakthrough came in the mid-1800s with the Industrial Revolution. Factories began mass-producing metal washing machines, which made them more durable and affordable. In 1858, Hamilton Smith patented a rotary washing machine in the United States. This design introduced the idea of rotating drums, a concept that is still present in modern washers. By the late 19th century, laundry technology advanced even more, with the addition of wringers, making it easier to remove excess water from clothes. This innovation saved countless hours of manual labor for households worldwide. The early 20th century brought electricity into homes, and with it, the first electric washing machines. In 1908, the Hurley Machine Company of Chicago introduced the famous Thor, the first commercially sold electric washer. These early electric models had rotating drums powered by simple electric motors. While they were expensive and sometimes dangerous, they represented a major leap forward in convenience. Over time, washing machines became safer, more efficient, and more affordable. By the 1950s, they were a common household appliance, transforming the way families handled laundry forever. Today's washing machines are more advanced than ever. From automatic cycles to energy-efficient models and even smart washers that connect to your phone, the evolution of washing machines reflects the continuous drive for convenience and efficiency. Front-loading designs, high-efficiency washers, and eco-friendly features have made modern laundry faster, quieter, and better for the environment. And that's the fascinating history of the washing machine, from simple hand-cranked tubs to the smart appliances of today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories about the inventions that shaped our everyday lives. And if you haven't already, check out our previous lectures on the sewing machine, kitchen stove, and pocket watches. You'll love them!